Meet Arjun and Karan. While Arjun owns a backhoe loader from CAT, Karan owns one from ACB company. But Arjun also smartly purchases a customer value agreement or annual maintenance contract from CAT. One day, when their backhoe loaders required service, Karan had to interrupt his business, take his machine to the service center, wait for several days to get replacement parts, and finally get his machine back to his site after delays, losing time, business, and money. On the other hand, Arjun made one phone call and within 24 hours, genuine CAT maintenance parts arrived at his site. Arjun also benefited from Gmmco's service commitment at his site within 8 to 48 hours, where a technician visited and fixed the problem. This helped him continue with his hassle-free business operations. CVA with services commitment allows Arjun to protect his biggest business asset, his equipment. It provides him with customized and hassle-free maintenance to ensure that his machine is ready to work again. With early detection through condition monitoring, Arjun can repair machine faults before failure, reducing machine downtime and reducing the risk of machine breakdown. So, Arjun can have peace of mind knowing that with condition monitoring, potential issues are identified before they occur. Get in touch with the Gmmco CAT team to understand more about CAT CVA with services commitment. Sign up for CAT CVA with services commitment today.